homework. Sneak up in this truck under the bed like a monster. Pop up out the club with the chopper, who's the owner? Today you're not a trap star, today you are a donor. I don't wanna cool it with the thought I'm tryna bone her. She throw the pussy on me like I put it in a corner. I made a movie with a
some shit, man, take a lot to do. Let me talk to you though. Hold on. I don't wanna give you the wrong impression. Me, I'm trapping and finessing. And I pray to God you don't miss your blessing. I buy Birkins, I buy necklace. Damn, I be dressing. Wherever I be stepping. We make love when we be sexy. Don't make sense.
Yeah, it's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the East Run. Used to drive the Nissan, and she in a Beamer. I don't want her, cause she from the corner. And I heard that Beamer was a loner. My old man the owner, and I don't even drink Coronas. What type of drink you want, bro? I'm champagne forever, I'm dirty Sprite forever. You come sit with me, if you like to change the weather. If you want a little better, we can buy a grill wherever. Don't get too thirsty, get used to the cheddar. I wanna tell the world about you just so they can get jealous. And if you see it before I do, tell I wish that I been. Turn on the lights, I'm looking forward to. I heard she keep her promises, ain't never turn on you. I heard she ain't gon' cheat and she gon' never make no move. I heard she be there anytime you need her, she call me. Turn on the lights, I'm looking for her. I'm looking for her. I'm looking for her. Turn on the lights, I'm looking for her. I'm looking for her. I'm looking for her.
True, back with another video. Today's video is basically Sunday. It's gonna be a Sunday reset of me getting my life together. It's basically like me pre-game, not preparing for Aggie Fest. Aggie Fest is really the day. So this is what I got on. I'm going to Walmart in a couple minutes. It's like 12:30 something. Yeah, it's like 12:30 something. About to be one. I had to do my marathon work. I had to wash clothes. It's a lot that's really going on, and it's a party. It's a day party, I think. So I'm trying to get my, you know, I got the fit on, you feel me? But I'ma just like what I'm doing, you know? So I'm about to show y'all my fit. I got on this puffer jacket that I got for Forever 21 with this spider shirt that I got for my birthday. Yeah, and then I got on some light wash jeans and I got on my fives, the little off-white fives. So that's what I'm wearing. But yo, the fit, you feel me? And I got on my fives. I'm gonna
Set on the bros for the immunity. Man, beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let out do me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. Explorer, I'm young and I'm turned, I got pictures galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm spurting. Got 5 million cash just in case if you merge it. My young niggas still get away, they be purging. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who's on you working? I turned on my crew, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm going at nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you we with it. My word is like gold in my city, I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth.
Came out the gutter, they never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bag. Turning it up, got a merchant, she good. Park a 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the sewer. Pro hard accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lid or they bite my chain. Championship, I just gon' end the shit. Bitch, breaking into the look at the kid. Dirty the fountain, but make it in Canada. Bro, get this money like it's my religion. It could be a mad, they a sad, if any of these niggas that try to compare whatever I did. Them that touched 100 digits off the gig. They came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kids. I trap out of bando, spent 10 on the crib. I look at the ocean, the spot 30 in. Depending where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no fully, nobody where I'm in. I have touch her ass, she gon' think she Korean. You fucking me good, bitch, you helping me win. Niggas can't see me, ain't no competition. 2 minute breaks in a whole nother wrist. I'm never sober, I'm thinking my quiz. I'm about to eat like a fool with a kid. Chief had a flight, nigga can't even see me. I'm way out of here, I'm too far in the sky. Heard me this ass right down my ass. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and not gas. Came out the gutter, they never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, got a merchant, she good. Park a 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the sewer. Pro hard accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lid or they bite my chain. Championship, I just gon' end the shit. Bitch, breaking into the look at the kid. Count up 2 million. tasting my drugs. Just taking my memory, they want showing love, man.
Alright, y'all. So I'm about to go. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got from here. I'm at like the car section. But so I'm at Walmart. So like I'm about to leave though. This the stuff I got. I just got some to drain, some to wash clothes, milk, cereal. I really got drinks. Cause I'm eating out probably all this week or going to the Cap. So yeah. But if I don't, it's gonna be sad because I'm gonna be hungry.
So pretty, little better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and not gas. Came out the gutter, they never meet a swagger. Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, got a merchant, she good. Parker 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the soil. Chrome heart accessories, but I'm on good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lid when they biting my chain. Championship, I just go after shit. Bitch, reconnected to look at the key. Got off the millions and tasting my drugs. Just taking my memory, they want showing love. Ain't matching my.
I'm back at the room. I'm about to pot this stuff up, and then I'm about to go to the store and everybody do my homework, and then that's really the end of my vlog. I already clean up my room. Well, we about to wash clothes, and then yeah.
In the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they set it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had the one, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fly when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out runs. Vibes galore, cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run. I know they hating on me, but I don't see it coming. Whenever I tell her to come, she come. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Newberry. Chips, bars, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night.
Alright, I'm back on the camera, so I'm about to film my dorm tour. I'm about to show you my dorm. So let's get this video started, you feel me? So right here, like, it's just jackets, hoodies, and stuff, you know, in the winter time. Then we got some light wash jeans. And then like once you come on this side, then you gonna see all my shirts. All of them like color coordinated to white, you feel me, colors. And then you got like long sleeve. Down here is just my shoes, cause half of my shoes I have to throw in my box cause I don't have no room. So these are my Ben & Jerry, and then like these belts and junk belts and like my beanies. And then you got my shoe boxes, Gucci. And then once you come over this side, then it's this storage bin, like, you feel me? But they go in the room. And they got like towels and stuff in there. Got my book bag and then my puffer, cause yeah, that's on the go. Once you come over here, then you got my bed. Then you got this picture. Yeah, that picture hard. And then you got the label. You feel me? The whole name, the whole nine. You feel me? I got this whiteboard. Then on my desk got my Mac and then my 2 iPads. And then shower caddy, hygiene stuff, you feel me? Yeah, and then I have all black shoes right here. And then once you leave there, then you come over here, then we got like shoe boxes with shoes in them, you feel me?
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Pay beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. Explorer, I'm young and I'm turned, I got pictures galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm splurging. Got 5 million cash just in case if you merge. My young niggas still get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who's on you working? I turned on my crew, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm pouring that nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you we with it. My word is like gold in my city, I tell them to
like my dorm, it's like half a dorm, so if y'all didn't know, I do share a dorm. So yeah, but I'm coming back with more content. I hope you like this video. Like this video, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications.
Doing some shit, man. Take a lot to do.